Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to this video. Today's video is a little different actually. I have an announcement to make. After 10 years in this house and more than 800 videos on my channel, my family and I have decided to move homes. We are packing up and saying goodbye to this current home where it all started. We're really excited, but obviously pretty nervous. When we first moved into this house, this place was new construction, pretty much brand new. I still found all these projects to do, whether it's like my kids breaking stuff or renovating things, updating things. There was lots of projects that needed to be done, and that was perfect. Every wall, every corner felt like potential to me. If you follow this channel for a while, you've seen what I've been up to and what this house has turned into. I'm gonna show you those projects in just a moment. We've made lots of updates over the years, some big, some small, and a few that definitely did not go as planned. Every project taught me something, and every fix made this house feel a little bit more like home, which is what DIY is all about. So yeah, it's a little bittersweet. We're very excited, a little sad, of course. This place holds a lot of memories, not only for the channel, but my family, my children, and I'm just really sad, but also looking forward to what the future is going to bring. This new house, it's got lots of character. It's a little older home. So what that means is we've got lots of good projects coming down the pipeline. Priorities right now include framing and drywalling. We're going to create a new wall to help create a dedicated guest space in the home. We want to beef up the front porch pillar so the house has a little bit more of a presence. We're talking about also maybe a tree house in the backyard, and of course a full-on movie theater for the kids. So it's gonna get pretty wild and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Oh yeah, and I'm also getting a tractor. Woohoo! My very own John Deere tractor. I am so excited.
Who's that good looking guy on the John Deere tractor?
So there's so much potential in this new place, and I'm gonna be bringing you along for every step of the ride. Every plan, every screw up, every finished project I'm gonna be documenting on my channel. So be sure to follow me. Before you leave, I want to take one last walk through this house, a final tour, if you will, to show you all the spaces that we've been working so hard to improve over the past 10 years. We're going to be doing some of the best highlights for this channel. And I hope that you have enjoyed this ride along with me in this current home. Whether you've been with me from the beginning or you just found this channel, thank you for supporting the channel, for supporting me, for supporting my family. If you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our community. The next chapter is just getting started. I promise you that. A new house, new tools, new mistakes, also new ideas, new builds, and a lot more fun DIY style coming your way. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.